Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, Ryan. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good too. It's a busy day, isn't it?
Yes, very busy. We have a meeting at 10 o'clock, right?
Exactly. Are you ready for the presentation?
Almost. I just need to check the slides one more time.
What project are you working on these days?
I'm working on the new marketing campaign. It's a bit challenging but fun.
That sounds interesting. I'm handling the client communication part.
Oh, really? How's that going?
Pretty good. The clients are happy with our progress.
That's great. I think teamwork is the key to success.
Totally agree. When we help each other, work becomes easier and faster.
By the way, Ryan, your English has improved a lot.
Really? Thank you. I've been practicing every evening.
That's awesome. What's your secret?
I listen to English podcasts and I try to speak with my friends in English.
That's a smart way to learn. I usually watch English movies with subtitles.
Nice. Movies are great for learning natural expressions. It's almost lunchtime. What are you planning to eat?
I brought some homemade pasta. What about you?
I'll go to the cafeteria. They have sandwiches today.
Ah, that sounds tasty. Let's eat together.
Sure. We can also talk about our weekend plans.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with my friends. What about you?
I'll probably stay home and read a new book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, and I also want to improve my English vocabulary.
Great goal. Let's share new words every Monday.
That's a good idea. We'll learn together.
Okay, let's get back to work. The meeting will start soon.
Right. Let's do our best.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Haha, yes. Let's go.